Hi and welcome to our Filmora tutorial, guys. We have learned a great deal from this Filmora into editing everything, your videos, your voice, and adding background music. Now, how do we just import this video, right? This would be one of the most important tasks, right? So, let's start doing this. I'm going to press the export button here. So, you can see different types. What all are the types? You can even rename your video. This is saved to where you're going to save, depends upon the drive that you allocate here. Then resolutions, let us go and press the resolutions. You can see which is the encoder. I would always just suggest for the best here. And now let's go. The format, this is MP4, Windows Media format, AVI, Move. There are so many formats, and this is one of the important things, that where your audio, where your video file is, you can transform it also into an mp3 format. Now let us go to the next tab. This is for device. It just takes the default values, right? iPad, you can see the resolutions. Apple TV, you can see the resolution changing here. This is iPod, then this is Samsung's, Android generic. There are many options here. YouTube, you can directly upload this video into YouTube after you have signed this with your YouTube. You just sign in. Okay, sign in, continue share.com. Right now I'm going to sign anything. Now you can sign it with your Google account in this. This is a step actually. You can add description, what tags you want, privacy, public or private. Then you can even list down the categories if you can specify. Then this is the settings. Then Vimeo, you can also sign it and upload it. Then this is your DVD. You can write this video into a DVD also. Now let's go here, right? So I'm doing everything in MP4 format with this resolution, that is 3840 into 2160. Almost all the videos that you are seeing in this tutorial is recorded in this format. Now all you have to do is just to press export here. So you can see what is happening in here. It is converting your video. Now let us look to one more characteristic. I'm going to see the task manager here. So you can see how Filmora effectively utilizes it. So my CPU is an Intel Core i7 CPU. So this is memory. I have almost like 16 GB of memory. You can see how much of your computer's resources is getting utilized when you wanted to export. So you can see your GPU 1 here. This is a built-in GPU, and this is my external NVIDIA GPU. So you can see how much it is going when it is really rendering in. So video editing and rendering requires a good high-end software. If Filmora is very slow in your system, I think it would be your resources, right? You should add more memory here, and consider going in for PC which has an external graphic card. Otherwise, the time taken to time taken to export this video into a particular format would be really taking time. So I'm going to just close this here. So I'm not going to continue over this because I'm going to cancel it here. So after this, you will have another option called as find target here. So you can just click on find target and you can access the video which you have exported, and you can do you can just later on transfer it to your friends or upload it into Facebook, anything that depends upon your wish. And right now I'm going to cancel this because your export is incomplete. Do you want to abort? Yeah, thank you, I have aborted this. Okay, this is the final step in exporting the video to your required format. Thank you guys for watching Filmora here. I'll meet you in the next tutorial. Bye guys, see you then.